So hello guys and welcome to Crypto Talks. So today I'm going to give you a review about an app called BitPlaza, which is like Amazon for Bitcoin users. So why I am saying that is because you can buy anything from that app, like from MacBook to iPhone to Apple Watch to television speakers, from clothes to groceries, etc, etc. So the BitPlaza app is based in US, but it also supports international delivery to 7 to 10 days. So you can get this app on Play Store or Apple Store. So without wasting any further time, let me show you how this app works. So guys, as you can see, I'm in my mobile now. So I'm downloading. So I'm on Play Store and I'm typing BitPlaza, BITPLAZA. Okay. So as you can see, this is BitPlaza app which I was talking about. It has 4.5 rating and around 10,000 plus downloads. You can scroll down to check the reviews. So all the users are saying that the app is amazing and wonderful, etc, etc. But let me install the app and let's go through the app. So it's installing. So let's check out. So this is BitPlaza app. So as you can see, this is the homepage of the app. They are selling mask for around 0.0025 bitcoins, and this is Apple AirPods. Here you can see that Apple AirPods next generation, Apple iPad Pro, Apple iPhone 11 64GB unlocked at the price of 0.0739 bitcoins. You can convert this on Google by typing 0.0739 bitcoins to your currency, to your local currency, to get the exchange rates. So as you can see, next is Apple MacBook Air 13 inch 128 gigabytes at 0.1076 BTC. Yeah, this is the homepage, and here are the category similar to Amazon, where you can see smartphone, tablets. So yeah, at the top you can see the category section, inside which you can see smartphone, tablets, TVs, entertainment, video games, laptops, columns, groceries, pet, gardening, toys, smartwatch, kitchen, tools, books. So let's say we go on smartphone section. Let's go to smartphone section. So yeah, first it is Apple iPhone 11 64GB unlocked, and as you can see this price in bitcoins. So if you buy any one of these cell phones or anything up in this column in this app, so you basically similar to any other shopping app, you can add to cart, view cart, and you can add more items if you want. So this is the cart. Here you can see the product added, the price and total. The tax is added around 0. So including tax, the price is around 0.0813. Here you can see and the shipping. And let me tell about shipping. Here it is given in below that if you live in USA, you will get delivery around 2 to 4 business days, and international shipping is around 5 to 10 business days. So yeah, after this you can proceed to checkout. Click on proceed to checkout, and on checkout you can enter your first name, last name, your country, address, etc, or all other delivery details, and select payment method, which is obviously you will pay in bitcoins. So you can select Bitcoin and place order. After this your order gets placed, and at below here it is also given an option to track your package, similar, which is also similar to any other shopping app. Here you can enter your tracking number and then track your order. So now let us go in laptop section. What is in laptop? Okay, laptop, MacBook, Apple Air, Google Pixel touchscreen, Chromebook, MacBook Pro 15 inch to 56GB, yeah, at price of 0.2174 bitcoins. So yeah, this is also similar. Let's click on MacBook Pro 15-inch. Here you can see the product you selected, and you can add to cart if you want to, and below it is all the specifications and description of the product is given. So as you can see in the interface, the below is support section. You can contact their customer support. A phone number is given. You can contact their phone number to customer support, and also you can fill up the form of and submit the ticket of customer care if you want to. Let's go to groceries. Let's see what they have in groceries. Okay, all the American stuff, I guess. This was all about the BitPlaza app. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be posting new videos daily. So thank you for watching.